I got the Septree Food Dehydrator, and this thing is really great for dehydrating meat and fruit. Now I'm using it right now to make some jerky. The cool thing about this one, it has a lot of trays in there, so there's a lot of space. I have like 2.5 pounds of meat in there right now. I could probably fit a lot more. It also comes with these silicone things so that it doesn't stick. I know meat kind of sticks to that metal when you dehydrate it typically, but that allows it to peel off a lot easier. Another cool thing, it's really easy to use. It's got simple controls. You can just set the temp, the time, however you want it at. There's also a light in here that goes on and off, which is cool. It also came with these blue oven mitts. Pull out the tray so you don't burn yourself. It's really easy to store. It's really not that big, but it does fit a lot of meat in there and a lot of fruit, which is great. And the cord also comes off the back as well, so which makes it a lot easier to store. But yeah, this thing's great. I use it all the time, and my jerky comes out great.